Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android phone, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone and tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, tap the menu icon in the top right corner to go to Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account Center. Now tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom. You'll now see your connected accounts, Facebook, Instagram, or both. Tap Manage icon in top right of the account you want to delete. From here, select Deactivation or Deletion. Here, you'll see two options. You can temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it. Choose the option you want, then tap Continue at the bottom. Instagram will show some info about what happens when your account is deleted. You can read it if you want, but I'm going to tap Continue at the bottom. Now you'll be asked to pick a reason for deleting your account. Select any reason you want and then tap Continue. If you choose Delete Account, you'll see the Permanently Delete Account screen. Instagram will warn you that deletion is permanent and you won't be able to recover your posts, photos, videos, or followers. You can also export your information before deleting. If you'd rather take a break, Instagram suggests deactivating instead. When you're ready, tap Continue to confirm. Finally, Instagram will ask you to enter your password to confirm that the account belongs to you. Enter your Instagram password, then tap Continue again. On the last screen, confirm that you want to delete your account. After a few seconds, Instagram will log you out automatically and process the deletion, and your account will be permanently removed. And that's it. Your account is officially on its way to being deleted. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.